Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're getting P0603 Internal Control Module Keep Alive Memory Error Code. If you're getting P0603, it means that either you got a bad computer, also known as the PCM, ECM, or ECU, or you're going to have some sort of issue that's causing this code. If you look at the ECM, ECU, PCM, or the computer, there's going to be a memory called KAM, which stands for Keep Alive Memory. Now, the purpose of the KAM, or Keep Alive Memory, it is to store the drive cycle data. Now, the computer constantly monitors the KAM module, and it runs a self-test to make sure that it is running properly. And if it detects an error when it is not working properly, you're going to get P0603 code. When you're getting P0603 code, in most cases, the computer, it is not going to be the issue. So don't think about going out there, change the computer and reprogramming it, because it is not going to fix the issue. So again, before you do anything, I suggest that you check battery voltage and make sure battery voltage is at 12.6 volt. And it should be no less than 12.4 volts with the engine off. Now, if your battery is extremely old, or let's just say the battery terminals are corroded, it can cause all sorts of electrical issue, and you're going to get P0603 code. Next, make sure your charging system is working properly. Make sure the alternator is producing enough power. It should produce at least 13.5 volts at idle and no more than 14.5 volt. If it is overcharging or it is undercharging, again, it can cause all sorts of electrical issue and trigger P0603 code. If you check the charging system and it is fine, and you check battery voltage and it is fine, you might actually have a computer issue. And of course, if you have a computer issue or you have a CAM issue, which again stands for KAM, or Keep Alive Memory, you're going to notice the following symptom. You're going to notice an engine misfire, you're going to notice hard start, you're going to notice no start, and overall, you're going to notice poor engine performance. So if you decide to change the computer, make sure to reprogram it, and I'll always match up the serial number on the computer. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.